Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to increase or decrease the font size on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on display and brightness. From here, just tap on font. Now to increase the font size, just swipe the slider to the right side and the size of the font has been increased as you can see in the preview. And if you want to decrease the size of the font, just swipe the slider to the left side. And as you can see, the size of the font has been decreased. Now once you select the font size, just tap on apply. And as you can see, we have successfully decreased the font size on our Oppo phone. And if you want to increase the font size, just go back to the settings app, then tap on display and brightness. From here, just tap on font. Now just swipe the slider to the right side to increase the font size. Then tap on apply. And once you do that, you will increase the size of the font on your smartphone. And this is how you can increase and decrease the font size on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.